What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Nobori Auto. So I am here at Pro Dynamic Collision Center. It's been like 2 days. Wait, when did I drop this off? I don't know, but I think it's been 2 days. They already have this on the frame rack. They gave me the okay to film, which is awesome. So there's gonna be some good content for you guys. He's drilling out spot welds right now, so we'll just get a little bit of that and stay tuned because this video is gonna be sick. You see here, they already have it strapped up, so whenever they need to pull that, then nothing will move. To the seamless, I was gonna film it, but I strapped like a ratchet strap around the frame, put a bolt in the body, in like the A-pillar, tried to ratchet strap it to a piece of concrete, like 1,500 pound piece of concrete in the backyard. It didn't work, but this is sick. Having a frame rack, yeah. All right, so kind of just go over. I wanted to get access in here, so this was all cut up and looking like trash. But they're gonna take all this out because all of it's pushed in that way. And then even down here, so they're gonna drill everything out, fix it all, and then weld it all back in. They're doing everything the right way. Man, I'm so excited, guys. Stupid spot welds.
Yeah.
You definitely have a skill.
Yeah.
Both of you. All three of you.
Yeah.
Props for what you can do. So I'm back here with Javier. He's gonna go over the paint system with me. So what I'm gonna do with that being pearl coat, they're gonna paint it. And I saw some of their Subaru paint the other day, exact pearl coat as this one. It looks phenomenal. So Javier's gonna go over his paint system and kind of explain some stuff that I don't know.
What's up, you guys? So we just actually got the system right now, and this right here, this is actually an actual scanner. So this will take a picture of your paint, give us a code right here, plug it into the system, it'll give us a code number. So obviously we can match it 100%, and you guys don't look like you know,
Look
like
like
a clown,
OEM, yeah.
like a clown driving a two-tone car.
Oh yeah, two-tone. I've seen that. You guys know. Remember, if you've been watching the channel for a while, that 350Z that I tried doing pearl coat didn't match at all. It was like I thought it was good in the paint booth, but then when I painted it, no, it was straight trash.
So from here, it sends the code to our scale. Once in the scale, this is our pointers right here. Oh, by the way, we use a water-based. So we obviously give you guys a lifetime warranty on the paint and the clear. So whatever something goes wrong, your paint starts looking funky, just bring it to us and we got you guys. We got you covered. So that's one of the cool part about us.
is like a legit system. I like, because when I spray, I don't spray anything this nice. Okay. But like little Honda Civics and stuff, I use the 3M. You have the newer system. Mine's, oh yeah, dang, you're legit guns. Mine's the plastic one.
Oh yeah, no, these guns are pricey, man. You're probably running like $1,000 guns.
Are those like the Devil Bliss or?
Oh, these guns are here pretty much paint on their own, man.
That's awesome.
How fancy they are.
I'm so excited, guys. Darilyn, you should be excited too. Your car's gonna look mint. Look at that paint booth. It's so sick. This is awesome, guys. They even have like Cheetos and Dorito packs up there. What? We're gonna get some of this tag team. Like, look at that. On the phone while he's sanding. I wanted to show the skill of you on the phone while you were sanding. Multitasking. Yeah. Going over other stuff. So back in here, remember when the bumper was off and I showed you guys, it's pushed in. It's pushed in like right back in there. They're gonna pull that out as well. I'm going the easy route, and the good route on this is having professionals do it. They're going to fix the rear bumper, make sure everything lines up perfectly. And as you were hearing Javier say, they're gonna paint match everything, blend. It's gonna look so good. Look at the gap on this headlight where it comes over here. And then look at the gap over here. So up top here, the gap doesn't line up, and then it closes as it gets down here, and it's super tight there. And you can see it's just barely off right here. So the hood kind of is like cockeyed like that. And then over here you can see it's just pushed that way. So them being able to pull all this and then realign everything. They have the fender, they have the door. Best of all, they have the equipment to do it and the knowledge. Javier was just saying that these two are brothers, him, and they've been doing this since they're little kids.
All right, guys, I wish we can actually show you guys, you know, the whole process, but you guys gotta wait for the end, because this car is gonna look nothing like this.
Legit. I'm out here looking at the stuff they have. I have never seen a Q40 in person. I see them at auction, but it's just a G37 after a G37, which is pretty cool. This one, oh man, I want a truck so bad, guys. Eventually I'll get a truck. Don't know if I want a Tacoma or a Frontier. I'm very partial to Nissans, as you guys know. So yeah, probably a Frontier, but who knows? You guys heard Javier. You can't see all the good stuff, nor do I have the time to chill at his shop forever. He was at least cool enough to allow me to hang out for as long as I could. I don't want to cramp anyone's style though. So Javier was even showing me pictures on his phone of huge jobs that they were doing, like replacing whole roof panels, cutting out quarter panels, pulling whole assemblies, replacing like trunk pans and stuff. Stuff that I don't even really fathom of how to do. But if this relationship between Javier and I goes well, dude, you guys, like, so much better content on the channel, can do bigger projects, just stuff that I don't have the means to do, nor the equipment, nor the experience. And that's the most important one, experience. Like the two brothers, they've been doing this stuff since they were little kids with their dad. So yeah, looking forward to a lot of good stuff. And I'm still residual monster, so I'm just super excited. But seriously, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Whoa, freaking squirrel, look at that. There's a balloon in the back of that truck that said "we have jobs." That's cool. But yeah, I'll text Javier and see when he gets to the next step of like reassembling everything or painting it. I'll make sure to go back there and get some footage of this so you guys can continue on the process and it's not just like, ta-da, it's done. I'm super excited for it to be done, and they're getting work done so fast. Enough of that ADD and stuff. Stay tuned for an online shop to come up. I'm currently building one on Shopify, so merch will be back and in action soon. Thanks guys, and I will see you on the next one.